Hi everyone, thank you for your wonderful likes and subscribes, and thank you for watching my videos. This is another one, and this time I'm drawing a little design that actually doesn't show anything that is in the reality. So first I'm showing you what does it really look like, the beautiful Colosseum. It's just magnificent building, absolutely fantastic. And that's a couple of videos that I took, and then I'll show you how I made the little design. So I'm using gel polish white all over the tip, and then I'm mixing one color, and this is Normandy green and Mimosa. Mimosa is kind of yellowish, yellowy neon, and I really like that color. So mixing these two, it gives me nice green color. And then using May's Choice 2021 and making just a couple of like splashes all over the tip. So it gives us the Italian flag. I'm drawing some lines. These are the parts of the Colosseum with black liner gel. And as you saw on my videos, it doesn't represent what it really looks like, but just a symbol. So a few lines that represent the levels of Colosseum, and a couple of arches for the openings. You can use black liner gel actually just on its own, or it can be mixed with black gel polish, so then it's more kind of watery, and some people prefer the black gel to be more liquidy to work with it. So there's more openings, more arches, and one side is a little bit taller and the other one is, well, destroyed over the centuries. The history of this place is just amazing. So if you ever are able to go and visit Rome, I highly recommend it. Definitely not do it in a day, and definitely not in the heat that I'm experiencing actually here. So now let's get back to the drawing. I'm using now Detailer #1 brush and just fixing the arches a little bit on top of each arch, so it gives us a shadow and it looks like well, more in reality. Then a couple of lines on the bottom, just so it represents the ground. And here you can do anything you actually like, but I'm drawing Rome, the writing, just hand painted. It could be anything else. It could be a stamping, or I don't know, cheese or wine, or any other symbol that represents Rome. For me, it's a third part of Italian buildings that I drew. I did Milan, Pisa, Leaning Tower of Pisa, and now Rome. And it's actually Rome or Roma in Italian. So I hope you like this design. It's quite easy to draw. Give it a try, and you'll see it for yourself how easy it's to make it. I'm finishing with Supreme Finish top coat. It's a high shine top coat without sticky layer, and it will be cured in the lamp for 1.5 minutes. And these are the other designs that I did before. So Milan, Leaning Tower of Pisa, and now Colosseum. Probably if I'll draw it again, I'll try a different style next time. And this is a 3D design that I did for a competition in 2012. I never expected to come to this place and actually see it for myself. And this was created with acrylics. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye!